All right, so the first one says water is heated on a Bunsen burner in a chemistry class. The temperature of the water is recorded in the table below for each second in Bunsen burner is on. Write an equation. Which equation below best describes the temperature of the water T based on the number of seconds? So which one is my independent and which one is my dependent variable? What depends on what? The temperature depends on how long it's been heating up, right? So for 0 seconds, it was 16, right? But for 4 seconds, it was 24, right? So what do you have to do now? Go to stat. And when you go to stat, what did you find out? Show me. The correct answer, show me. Very good. The correct answer is D. Good job. Give everybody 50 points. Now, hold on. Before we go to the next one, let's talk a little bit about it. What's the slope? My slope is 2. What's my y-intercept? Shh. Pay attention because we're still struggling with this. What does the slope mean? Every second, it increases 2 degrees. Very good. What does the y-intercept mean? Okay, but so what does it mean? It is, that's your starting point. That's absolutely correct. Very good. That at room temperature, that temperature is what? That liquid or whatever it is, what was it? It's water. That at room temperature, water is at 16 degrees Celsius. Very good. Both of you answer, so give your family 100 points. Alrighty. Next one. Go to the next one. Do we have the answer for number 2? Everybody has the answer for number 2 or no? No? Alrighty. Go. Answer for number 2. Answer for number 2. All right, we got it? No? We don't have it? I'm talking about number 2. We're number 2. Everybody's got it? All right, show me. All right, the correct answer is J. J. Let's do it. All right, let's give yourself your 50 points. All right, eyes on me. So, mhm, over there. Yeah, yeah, that's what I meant. I'm sorry. I'm pointing at the wrong spot. But yeah, okay. So Magalis is the only one that doesn't have it? Okay, thank you. All right. Thank you, Karen, very much. All right. All right, let's do it. The first thing that you need to do is come up with the equation of this line. Eyes on me, because I only had 3 groups that did it right. So come up with the equation of this line. This line has obviously a y-intercept of 6, correct? So this would be plus 6. And then you got to do rise over, run, excuse me. I'm sorry, yes, it's minus 6. Thank you. Thank you, Cesar. Minus 6, minus 6. And then your rise over the run is going to be 6 over 4x, right? Which I simplified to 3 halves x minus 6, right? Now it says that the slope of the line is multiplied by 2. But the y-intercept remains the same. Okay? All right. So now my equation is, I'm going to take that 3 halves, and I'm going to multiply that by 2. It's just a slope. So the equation would be 3x minus 6. So I'm going to come over here. I put minus. Now I wonder if I had it wrong. I put plus. I'm looking for the x-intercept, and on the x-intercept, y equals 0, correct? So I go to the table. It was h. So who had h? I know this table had h. That table had h. You and you guys. Okay, so take away the 50 points. Give yourself the 50 points. All right. So then after that, you go to the table, right? You know why I did it wrong? Because I put positive 6 instead of negative 6. But the correct answer was 2 and 0. So take away the points. All right, let's go. Number 3. Do we got it? So number 3, you actually have to give me the answer, right? Everybody has red cups? Yay? All right, go for it. Sorry about that for the ones that actually got it right. Thank you. Take your agenda like I've signed it, please, because Harrison is somewhere over there. Oh, I just recorded it. I don't know. I don't know. He might. Yes. All right, we got it? Come on, this one's pretty easy to do. Yes. All right, green, green, green. Let's go, let's go. That's easy. It takes you a hot minute to write that down. Don't show anybody. I can see it from here. All right. Shh. Show me. All right, the correct answer is 16, so everybody here gets one. All right, let's do it. All right. Mm-hmm. All right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. What is it asking you to do? Okay. Thank you. When x equals 2, what does y equal to? So all you need to do is go to y equal to, write the function, and go straight to the table and look for x equals 2 and y equals it's 16. That's not that hard. Let's go. Next one. Next one. Next one. Stop fighting. Don't be dysfunctional, and let's get to it. All right, working. Let's go. Let's go. She's right. Hey, I see a red cup and I don't see people talking about what they need to be talking, so let's go. Good noise, not bad one. Let's go. Guys, stop. Mm-mm. All right, let's go. Green. If it's not working, get another one. It's not working. The marker is working. Get another one if it's not. All right. Write it out. Show me. Show me. Show me. No, it's okay. They're not. They don't have an even marker in their hand. All right. The correct answer. Ooh. Maybe I did it wrong. Because nobody has the right answer. So you're looking for the false one, right? No. All right, let's do it. So you're looking for the one that's not valid, which would be the false one, okay? You're looking for the one that's false. There were 200 households in internet access in 1990. When did it start? 1990. Not, I'm sorry, you can see it. It starts in 1990, correct? So, which means that's your year zero. Is zero 200? No? So that's true. That's not your answer. Okay? Internet access increases at a rate of 50 households per year. All right, I'm going to skip that one. Over a period of 4 years, internet access increased by 200. So it went from 200, right? This is a period of 4 years, to 400. Did that increase 200 years? 200 households? Yes. So this is true. That's not it. All right? Let's do J. There will be fewer than 900 households with internet access in 2008. All right. What X would that be? 18. Do you have 18 over here? But it keeps on what? So in 18 more years, would you have less? Fewer than 900? Okay, so it's not fewer then. No. Do the rope of that. Do the slope of that. It's 300 divided by what? Yes, there is a right answer. Hmm? Do that one. Because those are clearly points that you can read. That one and that one. So, excuse me? Will 2018 have fewer than 900? 900 is right here, correct? 900 would be right here. Or if you don't want to do 18, if you don't, okay, I'm going to stop talking because you're talking over me and I can't function that way. So it's either you or me, but both of us at the same time we cannot, okay? Do 6, 6 times 3, or 9 times, but I cannot read 9 that well, can I? Because 9 is over here in the middle, isn't it? But I can read 6. Can you read 6? What is 6? 500, right? So if this continues, 6 times 3 equals 18, right? So 6 is 500. Do you see it? So 500 times 3 equals what? So is that going to be fewer than 900? My God, Cesar, is 1500 fewer than 900? No, baby, right? So this is what? There will be fewer than, which means what's the right answer? J. Yay? So everybody that had J needs to give themselves 50 points. Are we good? All right, go to the next one. 5. Number 5. So who had J? Almost all of you, right? Mm. I'm going to take away 50 points out of your family because you're not being very nice. You're not being very nice. And I think Juan is correct. Stop putting people on the spotlight. We don't do that. Get to work. Get to it. Shh. All right, do we have greens? Green, green. Over there, red. Green, green. All right, guys, still red? Okay, then give me the green. Back of the room. Come on. right, the correct answer is B. Good job. I'm not even going to go over it. Go. Next one. 50 points, everybody. Let's go. Next one. Hey, let's talk about how did you know? Because you really didn't have to do a whole lot of math. How do you know that that was going to give them the most amount of earnings? Because it's, shh. Because it's what? Not because it's two sandwiches, because it was two sandwiches for all of them. How do you know that B? Eyes on me. We're going over this one. Juan? How do you know that B was the one that gave him the most amount of earnings? It's very simple to do. Okay, how do we know? No, it's not because of the delivery. Shh. So what's the equation for this one? Tell me the equation for this one. Y equals what? This one? 4x plus 3. Give me the equation for that one. 6x plus 1. Give me the equation for that one. 550x plus 150. And then give me the equation for that one. 550x plus 1. Now tell me, why did you pick B? So talk to me about slopes and y-intercepts. I don't want to hear the sandwich costs more, because I know that by being a 6. Say that again. This is the bigger slope, which means the line will be what? Not straighter, steeper, which means it will increase a lot faster. That's how you know. You didn't have to do any math in here, just the equations, all right? Go to the next one. It's number 6. Go. That one should be really easy to do as well. Do we have green cups or red cups? Green, green, green. All right, let's go. All right, red. Okay, somebody needs to handle the cups that she's going to write. Green, over there. Are we good? All right, show me. The correct answer is H. All right. Eyes on me. Last team. Eyes on me. All right. How do we know that it was H? Okay, first of all, it's minus 2,500, so it has to do something with some type of negative, which would not be anything with profit related. Now, this is profit. What is the 25? The cost per picture. So those are your sales. And if from your sales you take away the expenses, that's how you get your profits. You first have to recover everything that you, okay, that team, this is why. Why are you working ahead of me? I see you working. You should be paying attention to what I'm explaining, because you guys were the only team that got it wrong. So all three of you should be paying attention. And I only see two. All right. So this means that if there's no picture sold, then I would lose how much money? $2,500. It is not this. What do you mean the y-intercept doesn't have a meaning? That's ridiculous, right? The y-intercept always has a meaning. A meaning. When 100 pictures are sold, the profit is 0. Why? Where's there 100 over here? And how does that relate to the y-intercept? Correct? That has nothing to do with the y-intercept. First of all, they had to be, that number had to be in your answer, didn't it? That was the only one that had that number in there. That should have given you a clue that that was your answer. All right? Let's go to the next one. 6. I'm sorry. Number 7. All right, so give me green cups when you're done. This one should be fairly easy to do. I see green cups all over. No? Not yet? You guys are so silly. So silly. So silly. Boys, we got it? All right, show me. All right, the correct answer is D. All right. This is why it's not A. Because percent should be written like that. 0.25. There you go, not 25. There you go. We got it? All right, number 8, go. Miguel. Up, up, up. Yes, let's go. All right, I have 2 greens. All right, I have 3 greens. 4. I can't see yours cup over there. Back of the room, babies. Still red? No, we'll start packing in a few. Don't show anybody. All right, I can give you about 1 more minute because we need to start packing up. It's almost time to go. Yeah, sure can. All right, write it down and show me. All right. All right, the correct answer is 236. All right? No, you didn't. You didn't, no. All right, 1, 2, 3. Eyes on me. Okay, so this was the easiest way. Just take the only 2 points that you can read and go to stat, right? The points were 50, I'm sorry, 20 and 50, and then 40 and 100, and the equation was y equals 2.5x. Now, this is the problem. That was your y, correct? So you needed to plug it in over here. Yes? So this was 590 equals 2.5x, which means you needed to divide by 2.5, because who the heck wants to go to 236? Or, oh my God, I don't want to know. My babies are working way too hard, and that was 236. Okay, let's put that in classwork. We'll finish it sometime. No, it's not worth it. Yeah. Don't even get me started on you. All right, my baby.